welcome to Fuel, Noise and Tarmac. Today we've taken our car to Holly House. There's a classic car show run by Clive Sinclair, a guy from the AMOP, the Aston Martin Owners Club, that we met a couple of weeks ago back at Castle Combe, and he invited us along to this show. He's been running it for several years, I think. There's about 250 classic cars, ranging from old Escorts all the way through to modern Astons, Ferraris, things like that. So I've just done a quick video of the cars we've seen, so have a look round, see what you think. This is actually Clive Sinclair's Aston Martin himself. He owns this one. This is a very nice blue Aston Martin V8. Fairly old one, but very classical nevertheless. This was an old DB7, actually a Newport Pagnell, one of the very last hand-built Aston Martins. Very nice example. Advantages from Aston Martin. Again, another old V8 Aston Martin, probably from the 60s, 70s, I'm not quite sure, but fairly old. Nice lineup of Porsches and a front. A flat fronted Porsche there, so my friend called it, that came along and met us. Ice creams, and there was also a coffee bar with a burger van as well. So lots of refreshments to keep us going throughout the day. This was an old Riley, centre stage, up on a plinth, looking very nice. Also centre stage, a noddy car, a nice yellow and red, very old noddy car. Ferrari Dino and the Di Monza. If you played top trumps, that was the best car to have. Lotus 7 Series 2, registered in August 1960. Very old car, but kept extremely well. An old Bentley. Its number plate tells a story, World War II 1940, and it's painted up with big exhaust stacks down the side. Pretending it's got a nice big Merlin V12 in it. Very old car. Very well kept for its age. Inside, nice big wooden cockpit with a huge steering wheel, typical of that era of car. Here's the Di Monza again, big V8. You'll hear this one leaving later on in the show. Sounds very nice, big powerful V8 rumbling away. There's the Ferrari Dino again, nice bright red, standard Ferrari colour, very nice. A nice Aston Martin Vanquish, centre stage, along with the Riley and the Noddy car. Nice big V12. There's Elise and a Emora on the end, a V6 Emora. And there's its engine in the back, so you can see through the back window. Looks very nice. Came to an end. People started to leave. Two Astons there just leaving the show. Nice white Vantage there. A few Escort Mark 1s, 3 or 4 of them. My very first car was an Escort Mark 1. Shame I wrote it off. Very easy to work on, loads of space in the engine bay there, easy to get in, to do all the work. Unlike modern cars, you can't see anything in them these days. Big Dimonza V8, just about to go home, so I'll be quiet so you can hear the big rumbling V8 as he departs the show. Finally, the little Ferrari Dino that we saw earlier, he's also just on his way out of the show. So thanks Clive Sinclair for letting us attend your wonderful show. It was great. Hopefully we'll see you again there next year. And on the way home, I did try and do some videoing, but unfortunately the video didn't record properly, so I don't have the footage. But we did stop at the Skerried Inn for a little drink and some refreshments, a very old pub. It's supposedly extremely haunted. Anyway, I'll finish the video there. We had an extremely nice, pleasant day. Hopefully enjoyed by everybody attended. So many thanks to Clive Sinclair again for holding this classic car show at Holly House in Hereford. Thanks so much, everybody. Please do like and subscribe, as I said, and I shall see you on the next one.